Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Said Abdul Juma. So today, inshallah, we will continue with another formal topic, which is ratio, profit, and loss. So let's start with ratio. So what is ratio? What is ratio? Ratio, it can be defined as a way of comparing quantities of the same kind. It can be defined as the way of comparing quantities of the same kind. For example, the ratio of A to B is written as A over B, or simply you can write it like this. So always ratio can be defined as the way of comparing quantities of the same kind. Example, we are required to express the following ratios in simplest form. Let's start with Roman 1. Roman 1, we are given that the ratio of 24 to 16. So we are required to simplify it into simplified form. So how we can simplify it? So this can simply be written as 24 over 16. So now let's simplify. Let's divide 24 by 4. So by 4 we'll get 6, and also 16 by 4 will get 4. So we'll have 6 over 4. Let's simplify it again. So 6 by 2 will get 3, and 4 by 2 will get 2. So we will get 3 over 2. So the answer will be equal to 3.2. So the ratio, that ratio 24 to 16 in simplified form will be equal to 3 into ratio 2. Also, we are required to simplify this ratio, which is 25 to 20. So how we can simplify it into simplified form? So this can be simplified as follow. So ratio of 25 to 20, 25 to 20, 25 to 20. So this ratio can be simply written as 25 out of 20. So it will be equal to, let's divide 25 by 5, we'll get 5. 20 by 5 will get 4. So we'll get 5 out of 4. So it will become 5:4. So this ratio in simplified form can be written as this. Also, let's move to another Roman, which is Roman number 3, which are required to simplify this ratio. So this ratio can be simplified as follow. So we are given the ratio of 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3, 4 out of 9. So this one can simply be written as 2 out of 3 divided by 4 out of 9. So let's change sign, from division to multiplication. So 2 over 3 times, so the denominator will move up and will be shifted up, and the numerator will be shifted down. So we'll have 9 out of 4. So let's divide 2 by 2, we'll get 1. 4 divided by 2 will get 2. 3 divided by 3 will get 1. 9 divided by 3 will get 3. So we'll have 1 out of 1 times 3 out of 2. So we'll get 3 out of 2. So the answer will be equal to 3 ratio 2. So this will be the answer. So this is how we can simplify ratios in simplified form. So now let's move to another thing, which is profit and loss. Profit and loss. So suppose you buy something. Suppose you buy something and selling it at higher price. So you will have a profit which is given by selling price minus buying price. So the profit always equal to selling price minus buying price. Also, if you buy something and then selling it at a lower price, now we are buying something and then selling it at lower price, so you'll have a loss. You will have a loss which is given by loss equal to buying price minus selling price. So these two formulas, we are going to use them on finding the profit and also on finding the loss. So simply profit can be calculated by using this formula, and also loss always can be calculated by using this formula. So now let's move to another thing, which is profit and loss as a percentage of buying price. Profit and loss as a percentage of buying price, or simply we can call them percentage profit and percentage loss. So let's start with percentage loss. Percentage loss can be calculated by using this formula. We'll use this formula for finding percentage profit. Also, percentage loss also can be calculated by using this formula. So percentage profit equal to profit divided by buying price times 100%. Also percentage loss equal to loss out of buying price times 100%. So in order to get percentage profit, we always required to have buying price. Buying price will be required in order to get percentage profit. And also on percentage loss, in order to get percentage loss, always we are required to have buying price. So let's do examples concerning how to calculate profit, how to calculate loss, and also how to calculate percentage profit and on how to calculate percentage loss. So let's start with example number 2. This one, which we are required to find the profit, percentage profit, when the article is bought for 4,800 shillings and sold for 5,200 shillings. So let's start with example number 2, which we are required to find the profit. So let's start with calculating the profit. So profit always, as we said, equal to selling price minus buying price, equal to selling price minus buying price. So from this example, what is selling price? So selling price is this one. This is selling price, which is equal to 5,200 shillings minus buying price is 4,800 shillings. So 4,800 shillings. So if you subtract this, we will get, so let's subtract them. 2 by 4, 800, 00, 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4. So yeah, so we got 400 shillings. So this is a profit. This is called profit. And also from this example, also we are required to find the percentage profit. Also we are required to find the percentage profit. Percentage profit. So how we can calculate the percentage profit? So percentage profit, as I said earlier, percentage profit equal to profit over buying price times 100%. So if you want to calculate percentage profit always equal to profit over buying price times 100%. So from this example, our profit equal to, the profit is this one, which is 400 shillings. So it will be equal to 400 shillings divided by buying price. Buying price, what is buying price? Buying price is 4,800 shillings times 100%. So we'll get 4 out of 48 times 100%. So it will be equal to, so 4 times 100 will get 400 out of 48. So let's divide it. We'll use the vertical way of dividing. 400 divided by 48. So if you divide 400 by 48, we'll get 8. So 8 times 8 equal to 64. Remains 6. 8 times 4 equal to 32, and that one will be 38. If you add this 6, so if you subtract, we'll get 10 minus 4, we'll get 6. 9 minus 8, we'll get 1. So it will remain 16. So now let's put 0 and then put point. So 116 divided by 48 will get 3. So 3 times 48 will get 24. Remain 2. 3 times 4 equal to 12, which is equal to 14. So if you subtract, so we'll have 6. 5 minus 4 equal to 1, so it will remain 16. So our answer will be equal to 8.3. So this one will be the percentage profit. This one will be the percentage profit. So this is how to calculate percentage profit and also the profit. So now let's move to example number 3, which we are required to find the loss, percentage loss, when an article is bought for 306 shillings and sold for 288 shillings. So from this example, we have buying price equal to 360 shillings, and also we have selling price equal to 208 shillings. So the first question, we are required to find the loss. So let's look for the formula for loss. As I said earlier, loss always equal to buying price minus selling price. Buying price minus selling price. So loss equal to buying price minus selling price. Minus selling price. So buying price that we have is 360 shillings, minus selling price we have is 288 shillings. So if you subtract 360 by 288 shillings, so we'll have 2, then 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8 we'll have 7, and also so we'll get 72 shillings. So this one will be the loss. Also we are required to find the percentage loss. Also we are required to find the percentage loss. So which formula we are going to use it on finding percentage loss? So the formula that we are going to use it is this one, which is equal to percentage loss equal to loss divided by buying price times 100%. So percentage loss equal to loss divided by buying price times 100%. So the loss that we got is this one, 72. So 72 divided by buying price. Buying price, we have buying price which is 360 shillings times 100%. 72 times 100 will have this one divided by 360. So let's divide 7,200 by 360. We'll use the vertical method, which is this one. So 72, so let's take 720, just divide it by 360. So if you divide by 360, we'll get 2. We'll get 2 times 360, 2 times 0, 2 times 6 equal to 12, 2 times 3 equal to, so if you subtract, you'll get 0, 0, so it will remain only 0. So just put it above. So the answer will be equal to 20%. So this one will be the loss, the percentage loss. So today inshallah we'll end up here. So let's meet again next lesson inshallah. Thank you.